Planning a visit to Lecce and don't want to drag your luggage with you all day? Radical Storage provides a simple and secure solution for storing your bags while you explore the city's beautiful historic landmarks. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of depositing your luggage at a Radical Storage point in Lecce. Radical Storage partners with local businesses, including hotels, shops, and cafes, offering insured and secure locations to store your luggage. To find a reliable storage point in Lecce, use the safe link provided in the video description to access the official Radical Storage website. Once there, simply type Lecce in the search bar, and you'll be presented with a list of storage locations across the city. Select a convenient location near tourist spots, transport hubs, or wherever you're headed. After picking your location, choose your preferred drop-off and pickup times, then proceed to payment. With Radical Storage, your online transactions are secure, ensuring peace of mind. Once the booking is complete, you'll receive a reference number along with directions to your chosen storage point. On arrival, present the reference to the staff, and they will securely store your luggage. That's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy your time in Lecce, free from the hassle of carrying your bags, knowing your items are safe with Radical Storage. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.